Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we uncover the best products on the market to make your life easier and more beautiful. Today, we're diving into the world of curly hair care, and I'm thrilled to share with you what many consider to be the holy grail of curl creams. Introducing the Moroccanoil Curl Defining Cream. If you've been struggling to find the perfect product to enhance your natural curls or waves, your search ends here. With over 25,000 rave reviews and a loyal following, this cream has earned its reputation as the best curl cream for wavy hair. Let's talk about why this product stands out from the rest. Firstly, it's an all-in-one solution. Say goodbye to cluttered shelves filled with multiple curl products. This cream not only defines your curls but also nourishes your hair, leaving it frizz-free and deeply moisturized. Now, let's get into how to use this miracle cream. Simply apply 1 to 2 pumps to damp hair, distribute evenly, and let your curls air dry for a relaxed look, or use a diffuser for more bounce and definition. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. Customers rave about the incredible smell, the frizz control, and the way this cream rejuvenates their curls, leaving them looking healthy and vibrant. In conclusion, if you're tired of dealing with frizz and lackluster curls, it's time to invest in the Moroccanoil Curl Defining Cream. Transform your hair and unleash your beautiful, natural curls with this game-changing product. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time, stay fabulous.